Singapore's central bank is rounding up all applications for digital banking licenses today, and by the middle of next year, the Monetary Authority of Singapore will award up to 2 licenses for a digital full bank and up to 3 for a digital wholesale bank. Brandon Tanoto tells us more.
Small and medium-sized enterprises look set to be the largest beneficiaries of digital banking. Experts say it's because they'll get better credit scoring and faster loan approvals.
And they also need to have access to currency hedging. They're buying from an overseas country, selling here, or buying from one place, exporting to other country, so they're exposed to 2-3 different currencies.
As for consumers, they can enjoy lower costs because online banks have low overheads, since there's less expenditure on property rent and manpower. New digital banks could also offer deposit accounts without any minimum deposit amount or fall below fees. MES has already set out what players need to do to get a license. For example, the company must be controlled by a Singaporean and headquartered in Singapore. Now, it must also prove that it can make money.
Because you see, if a bank loses money, it wipes out the depositor's capital and the shareholder capital. When a bank goes under, a society is impacted. If you're getting into new territory where the retail deposits are exposed, retail consumers are exposed, so you have to do it step by step.
For the digital full banks, we have to go through a restricted phase, and during this period, the amount of deposits they can hold, as well as their activities and customer scope will be limited. And the restrictions will be gradually lifted as MES assesses that they are able to manage their risks well.
At a glance, the number of contenders have already surpassed the number of licenses up for grabs. They range from brokerage firms to utilities providers. For instance, Singaporean massage chair tycoon Ron Sim is joining hands with a Temasek unit, stored value card operator EasyLink and property giant Far East Organisation. Ride-hailing firm Grab, whose app has been downloaded onto more than 166 million mobile devices, has also confirmed that it will apply for the full bank license together with telco Singtel.
Because the premise is the digital bank will be without branches and most of the access would be through the phone. So as long as you have a regular touch point with the consumer, you have some level of consumer brand awareness, consumer trust.
Mr. Mittal said contenders could use the license to either expand their customer base or as a stepping stone to expand in larger Southeast Asian markets.